Hello everyone, welcome to Samvad, an initiative by School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership, wherein we invite the institutional leaders of MIT ADT University and discuss the challenges as well as the skills that are required for our students to become professionals. In this series, today we have with us an esteemed guest, Dr. Sunil Dhingre sir, HOD, Aerospace Department, School of Engineering. On behalf of entire team of SCIL, I welcome you, sir, to this platform.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir, I would like to understand from you that what are the skills, apart from the technical skills that the college is providing, which are necessary for a student to become a professional?
So, we have taken utmost care for designing the curriculum. We have designed the best curriculum with the help of dions from industry, academia and research institutions. So, apart from that, this aerospace engineering is basically a highly specialized branch of mechanical engineering.
True, sir.
And purely interdisciplinary in nature. So, the student should know how this branch is related with other branches of engineering. They should have some skills like coding skills, C programming, Python. They should also understand the latest trends in industries and the facts like Industry 4.0, which is not possible without understanding of Internet of Things. There is no field in engineering now which is not using machine learning and artificial intelligence. So they should also have basic knowledge about this. Apart from this, the various skills required like while designing, the students should have skills like creative and innovative thinking. For repairs and analysis, they should have technical knowledge, analytical skills, working in teams. Behavioral skills and managerial skills are also required. Time management is very important. This is competitive age, so timelines have to be followed scrupulously. The communication skills, verbal and written, are also very important.
True, sir.
Nowadays, every employee has to reply tens of mails every day and communicate. Engineers have to deal with the subordinates like technicians, workers, their fellow engineers and superiors. So these skills, behavioral skills, communication skills, technical skills are very important. Working in teams is also important.
Sir, apart from this, for the entrance exams also, they have to have some skills like aptitude and all. So anything?
Yes. The aptitude skills are required. Generally, any recruitment process is first step is aptitude test, second is group discussion, and final is PI, personal interview. So aptitude skills are very much important because if you cannot clear aptitude test, you will not be allowed to appear for second and third
True, sir.
third test.
True, sir.
So we are providing guidance for all these tests. So in group discussions, your communication skills, your thinking pattern is tested.
Yes,
And
sir.
how you work with the other team members is also tested.
Yes, sir.
And in final round, apart from technical, all these skills are again tested.
Yes.
On a face-to-face basis.
True, sir. And for these things only, we are also providing mock GD and PI sessions for our
Yes.
pre-final year students,
Yes.
so that they become industry ready. They become ready for the actual interviews and the group discussions that is going to happen.
Yes, that is very much important. Very,
Yes.
very important.
Yes, sir.
They should have practice of all this.
Yes, sir.
So that their performance will be best during actual placement interview.
Yes, sir. And in fact, I would also request you to share your experience when you were a fresher, you passed out from your college, what challenges you faced?
So that was long back in 1987.
Okay.
I am a graduate of best school of Maharashtra, Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli.
Okay.
But we faced many problems while appearing for interviews.
Okay.
Because there were no formal coaching.
Yeah.
We are not taught these skills as our curriculum. And unfortunately, there were no private coaching classes also.
Okay.
So we friends formed groups and practiced ourselves. The placement was 100%, I can say 200%.
Okay.
But even then, many of us could not get dream company.
Okay.
Because of some problems faced in GDs or PIs, something like that. Even though the technical ability all students were having, few could not make it.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is also possible.
Okay.
So actually I am very happy to see that under able leadership of our Honorable Executive President Mangesh Karad sir, MIT ADT University has established School of Corporate Innovations and Leadership.
True, sir.
So here we are offering various modules and courses to the students. So they are getting these skills as part of their curriculum. And the icing on the cake is for few courses they are getting credits also.
Credits also.
So this will definitely help the students not only in facing interviews. In facing interviews, these skills will help in getting placement. But even after when they join their corporate world, they will be very successful. Because that also these skills will be required every day.
True, very true, sir. Thank you for sharing your insights with all of us. I hope the students will take the best of this facility that School of Corporate Innovation and Leadership is providing, and they will be industry ready and transform themselves into true professionals. Thank you.
Yes, definitely. Thank you very much.